Going to Fitchburg. Guys, we're here at the Fitchburg Furnace, or the Red River Furnace. This is actually the last charcoal-fired iron ore furnace built in America, built in 1869. It only operated for 4 years. This furnace was designed by a man named Fred Fitch, and it's actually one of the top 25 dry masonry structures in the entire world. It was used to make iron ore for the railroads in the western expansion of the United States. And there was actually a sprawling town of 100 different families in this area with mills and grocery stores and all the types of stuff that you need to support that, all coming from this ore furnace. What I find interesting is that it was called an iron plantation.
Yeah, dude.
You know, that really shows the times.
Controlled by who? The master.
The iron master. It really shows the times, 1869, when this was built in the South. So this furnace was burning massive amounts of charcoal, like 800 bushels every day. And it was all to support the rail industry and the bustling, expansion of the American country west. But in 1873, only 4 years after being opened, there was a financial panic and over-speculation in new iron discoveries in Alabama that effectively killed the iron industry in Kentucky. So this is actually a ramp that they would use to haul the materials up and into the stack. So they're bringing all these materials up here and loading the furnace. And they would have been cutting down huge quantities of wood. So it took 179 bushels of charcoal just to make 1 ton of pig iron. There, I believe, is the pipe for the steam blast that would help smelt the iron. So by 1873, because of over-speculation, the bust in the economy, and better quality ore found elsewhere, the iron industry in Kentucky effectively died, and along with it, the bustling towns that accompanied the furnaces. Just another little bit of some abandoned America.